In this video today, you are about to see what is a pretty much typical Detroit turnover. I would give it a C-, just comparatively to how people move out, maybe a D+. Not the best turnover, definitely. And I did hear my husband quote the owner $7,500 for now, but he needs to figure out how much it's going to cost to replace the garage door. So check it out, see what you think. I think this is kind of just, you need to expect it. And we sell houses in Detroit, and I really don't want to sell houses to owners who think that people actually leave houses pristine. It just isn't the reality. It's something to budget and to think about and to prepare for. And this is a house that the owner is selling. So as soon as we're done with the turnover, we're going to sell it for $90,000 because it'll be looking really good and new. If that's something you're interested in, check it out. Contact me using Calendly here. Normally we're buying houses way more distressed than this one. This one just looks distressed, but really the bones of it aren't that bad. It's just going to need some sprucing up. And we sell them to investors for around $85,000 to $90,000. The rents are on the low end, $1,250 for a 3-bedroom. But you could estimate $1,250 to $1,350. Taxes are really varying on the neighborhood. I'm seeing them around $1,800-ish. I don't know the taxes on this exact house, but I'll put it below. If you want to open up the thing below, I'll give you all the numbers below. Before we get into the video, I want to thank my sponsor, Transforma Peptides. And I've been telling you guys I've been on a health kick and I've been going to the gym. And I heard that there's this peptide, tesamorelin, and it's really good for weightlifting. I'm not a doctor. I'm not recommending anything. But I did get the peptide tesamorelin, and next thing I knew, I was losing belly fat. And I'm like, I really like this peptide. And I looked it up again, and it's really good for getting rid of visceral fat. And that's the kind of fat that usually is in a woman's tummy, or maybe a man's too, I don't know. But it's the fat that is not good for you, that's around your organs. So if you're a woman and you're looking pregnant and you shouldn't be, I'm telling you, this is the peptide for you. I'm loving it. It works really great. It actually works. You know, sometimes we take things and we don't ever know if they work or not. But this one, I was like, oh, this is really nice. So I do have a discount code, Monique10, and I'll give you a link below to get on the website where I am buying my peptides. And it would be really awesome if you would give me a like and a subscribe. Helps keep me motivated to keep making you more videos. This is my husband totally didn't make this for you guys. He made it for the owner. So I might have to put a bleep in here when I go to edit it, because he just was pretty you get to see him being himself totally in this video. Have fun watching this one.
All right, here we are at 19591 Joann. They obviously didn't know how to clean. And they sure as hell didn't take all their stuff. Hello? Huh, there is somebody here. Check out the basement. Not great, but not the worst either. backyard hasn't been touched all year. It's a big backyard too. Garage is in pretty good shape. It's gonna need a new garage door. Oh, and we inherited a car. Fuck. All right, there's the video. I'll come up with pricing for it.